Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest work from home jobs. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for IT recruiter position from Coder's Brain. For this position, you must possess 6 months to 5 years of work experience. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for Vue.js developer position. You should have 2 to 3 years of work experience. You must be proficient in JavaScript language, including its syntax and features, and you should have strong understanding of the Vue.js framework and its core principles. And you should have working experience with HTML5 and CSS3. And you please check once test of the qualifications and experience required, and it will be work from home maximum 6 months, and the shift timings will be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for iOS developer position from Intellisense Technology. For this position, you should have 2 to 8 years of work experience. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for senior technical recruiters and talent acquisition analyst positions from TechnoSales. For these positions, you must possess 3 to 5 years of work experience, and the work location will be Mohali, and work from home opportunity will be there. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Business Development Manager or Sales in Steel Detailing from Acorns Infotech Private Limited. For this position, you must have 3 to 5 years of work experience, and you please check once the job responsibilities. And here one note is also given, like you must have knowledge on steel detailing software, and having US clients will be given more preference, and the package will be best as per industry standards, and work from home is also available. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for US IT recruiters from Xorian Solutions. To eligible for this position, you must have at least 3 to 6 years of experience in US IT staffing, and you must possess excellent communicational skills, and also you should have worked with direct clients and W2 positions, and good process knowledge is mandatory, and you should have knowledge on different tax terms, visas, time zones of US, and it will be a permanent work from home. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Oracle Fusion Consultant position. You must have 5 to 10 years of work experience, and you please check once some more qualifications and experience required, and the budget will be 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.